Hey friends, if you wish to flip your screen on Windows, then please watch this video. Now, due to recent changes, the Control plus ALT plus arrow combinations do not rotate the screen at all because this option has been phased out. So here's what you can do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select display in the right pane. Here you will find display orientation. Click on it. You can select the flipped versions for either landscape or portrait, and this is the way you can change the screen orientation. And to be back to the original one, just click on revert. Okay, so this is how you can do it, though till date I have never understood why a person would want to flip the screen, but whatever your reason is, this is the process to do the needful. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.